Yesterday we have up to question number 9, 10. I gave you for homework. Okay. But now I am telling you if you have not done. Okay. So I was just trying to tell you all questions. Just see here question number 10. Sin n plus 1x or sin n plus 2x. Sin n plus 1x. Sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x. ठीक है, this is the term. ठीक है, now we just observe that which formula we can use. है ना? There are two terms in sin and two terms in cos. So just remember the xy formula which we have proved earlier in the beginning. That was the formula of cos x plus y. This is the formula of cos x minus y. Cos x cos y minus sin x or plus sin x sin y. This is the formula of cos x minus y. And if you have don't remember, just I am writing here cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This formula we are using here, but this is not the part of the question. Okay, that's why I am writing in the box. So we are using this formula. Just observe here. In place of x we have n plus 1x. In place of y we have n plus 2x. देखो cos x cos y. But plus sin x plus sin y. In place of the same angles are here, but terms are written. First term written sin is, but we have the formula with cos. So it doesn't matter if the both terms are positive, the same terms. So we can apply this formula. We can write here cos. In place of x we have n plus 1x minus n plus 2x. ठीक है, n plus 2x. Now we can open this bracket. Then we will get nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. ठीक है, nx and nx we can cancel. Then it becomes cos minus x. We know that cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Then we have proved which is equal to cos x. ठीक है, यही हमें प्रूव करना था. So we have proved this one, which is equal to right hand side. But it will come in your mind only when if you have learned the formula. ठीक है, you have learned, then you can find this method how we should do. ठीक है, we have applied this formula of cos x minus y. Now see the next question, question number 11. In question 11 we have cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. ठीक है, 3 pi by 4 minus x. There is no need of this bracket. ठीक है, तो just see what should we do. Our answer is minus root 2 sin x. Minus root 2 sin x. This we have to prove. So what formula we should use? We can apply here cos C minus cos D. With CD formula, ठीक है, it converts into product. Whenever we have terms in plus or minus, okay, so we want to convert into product because there we have only one term. A second term which is written in product. So if you want to convert addition term or subtraction term into multiplication, we have to use the CD formula. CD formula, that was that formula which we have give the different name, okay, at the last. So if we are using cos C minus cos D formula, what is the formula? Just I am telling you cos C minus cos D equal to, just I am writing the formula if you have don't remember, cos C minus cos D equal to minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2 and sin C minus D upon 2. ठीक है, this formula we have, ठीक है, proved yesterday, before yesterday, cos C minus cos D, है ना? So now we are using this formula. I am just doing, this is not the part of the question, just I am writing for to remind you, है ना? So we are applying this formula. So we are left hand side में we are applying this formula. Cos C minus cos D will be equal to minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2. In place of C, we have 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x upon 2. ठीक है. Similarly, we will write here sin C minus D. C in place of C, 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4. ठीक है. Minus if we take here, so this will be plus here, plus x upon 4, 2. 3 pi by 4, 3 pi 4, we can cancel. Here we can cancel x and x. What will we get? We will get here 2 minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. It will be 6 pi by 4. है ना? तो 6 pi by 4 को if you divide by 2, so you will get again 3 pi by 4 sin x and x 2x. If you divide by 2, you will get x. So we got sin x, है ना? But we have to find the value of now 3 pi by 4. So we have to find the value of 3 pi by 4. I am just doing here. ठीक है. Minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 को we can write sin pi minus pi by 4. ठीक है. Into sin x. Now you can apply the formula of sin 180 minus theta. No, the theta formulas we have given the name. Sin 180 minus theta equal to sin theta, यानी कि sin pi by 4 into sin x. Sin pi by 4 equal to 1 upon root 2, यानी कि 45 degree sin x. ठीक है. It is 2, it is root 2, so we can cancel root 2 with 2, so we will get root 2. So we have to prove minus root 2 sin x. We got it now. ठीक है. So just see how we have solved it. We have used this formula. I have mentioned here cos C minus cos D equal to minus 2 sin C plus D. ठीक है. Sin C minus D upon 2. How you have learned, it depends on you. ठीक है. Even then I have written here, you can see how I am solving. In place of C, I have taken 3 pi by 4 plus x. We have added both the angles. Then we have subtracted
then we have converted it to the known angle by using the concept sin 180 minus theta or 180 plus theta.
ठीक है, तो ये वी हैव डन कंप्लीटेड दिस क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. ठीक है, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी, रेज योर हैंड whenever wherever you feel any problem. ठीक है, is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. ठीक है, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Just observe here, if we have sin x, then we have to use, we are using cos 2x here. Whatever we have the angle, this will be twice of the angle whatever we have taken here. So cos sin square 6x, if we want to find out the value of sin square 6x, then it will be equal to 1 minus cos 12x upon 2. This is the part of the question. ठीक है, we are first trying to find the value of sin square x 6x and sin square 4x. You cannot do directly. If you can do, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can show this one, this part also. ठीक है, यानी कि if we take the angle here 6x, then it will be 12x. If we take 4x, then it will be 8x. Now we are using this formula. So next steps, we will go here. In place of sin square 6x, we are writing 1 minus cos. So we can separate also 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 cos 12x. ठीक है, minus sin square 4x. So minus 1 upon 2, it will be plus cos 8x upon 2. ठीक है, 1 upon 2 से 1 upon 2 we can cancel. So we have to use 1 upon 2 we can take cancel. So then it becomes cos 8x plus term we are writing first, then minus term cos 12x. Now you can use the formula of cos C minus cos D, यानी कि CD formula. In CD formula में, ठीक है, just in the last question I have written cos C minus cos D equal to minus 2 sin C plus D, यानी कि 8x plus 12x, it will be 20x divided by 2. ठीक है, चलो first of all I am writing, if you may confuse also, 8x plus 12x divided by 2. Now we are using C minus D, यानी कि sin C minus D minus 12x one upon 2 minus 2 sin, it will be equal to 10x, है ना, sin minus के 4x divided by 2, it will be sin minus x. तो 2 से 2 cancel you can do, or sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta, so minus will be plus. So your answer will be sin x or sin 10x. ठीक है, what you have to prove, sin 2x, sorry, ये 8 12 है, it will be equal to 2x, है ना, then it becomes sin 2x. ठीक है, because we have subtracted 8x minus 12x, which will be equal to minus 4x. If we divide minus 2, theta equal to minus sin theta, so minus will be this one question we have done. In the same we have done this minus 1. ठीक है, we want to convert स्क्वायर वाले टर्म को we have to convert into first of all. I am just rubbing this one. This question number आपका cos square minus cos square 2x minus cos square 2x. As we have converted in in time terms, the same you have to convert cos square x equal to, it will be equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So this is the difference upon 2. Now, in terms of minus cos 2x, we are getting 1 plus cos 2x. So now, then it will be cos is 1 plus cos 4x. Okay, we are using this one. Okay, in place of cos square x, we are writing 1 plus cos 4 x upon 2. In this, it will be equal to 1 2. है ना, जो भी एंगल लेंगे, if you take angle x, we will get here 2x. ठीक है, if we take 2x here, then we will get 4x. If we take 6x, then we will get 12x. Now you have to simplify. This we have converted left hand side by using these formulas, because in the square formulas we don't have. We have formulas which are written without the square. So we can separate this term 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 cos 4x minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 cos x. Okay, 1 upon 2 cancel. Now 1 upon 2 cos 4x minus cos 12x. 1 upon 2. Now use the formula which we have used 2 times earlier also. Minus 2 sine c plus d, यानी 12 is equal to 16 divided by 2, you will get 8x. Then sine c minus d, 4x minus 12x equal to 8x minus 8x divided by get minus 4x sin 8x. This we have to prove. Okay, now we have proved this one. Sin 4x or sin 8x. This was the similar question which we have done. The question we have done question number 12. Now we are taking the next question, 13. So we have completed question number 14. Sin 2x, 2 sin 2x. If we have to prove sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. This we have to prove. So what should we do? First of all, we can use the formula of sin c plus sin d in these two terms, sin 2x and sin 6x. ठीक है? because these terms are written in the product form, ठीक है, so we want to convert addition term to in product form, so we can use the formula of sin c plus sin d in first and last term. Remaining these two terms we are leaving as it is. So we are using now formula of sin c plus sin d. Just remind yourself, you have remember or not, this is the formula of sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d. In place of c we have 2x plus 6x divided by 2. And next term is in term of cos, cx c minus d upon 2. The third term we are writing as it is, we are not changing anything. So what was the formula of sin c plus sin d? 4x. Cos 2x minus 6x, which is equal to minus 4x. If we divide by 2, you will get a minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Okay. Now you just see 2 sin 4x, we are getting both the terms. So you can take common 2 sin 4x. Cos minus theta, have you remembered or not? Just what I don't know, just check in your notebook. There I have written on the cos minus theta equal to what? It is equal to cos theta. Yeah? So cos 2x we get 2 sin 4x cos 2x plus 1. But our aim to find, we have to prove that which is equal to in terms of cos square. What should we do now? Sin 4x cos 2x plus 1. So we have used the formula of cos 2x to converting the square term